Most people don't think twice about their garage door opener until it starts acting up. Maybe it hesitates, maybe it's louder than it used to be, or maybe you're sitting in your driveway hitting the button, wondering if today's the day it finally gives out. That's usually the moment people start looking into garage door opener installation in Salt Lake City, not because they want to upgrade, but because they need something they can actually rely on. And the truth is, the opener does more than just lift and lower the door. It controls how smoothly everything runs. A properly installed opener means quieter operation, better response time, and a system that works the way it should every single day. But here's what a lot of homeowners don't realize. When the opener starts failing, it's often a sign that other parts of the system are wearing down too. If your door feels heavy, uneven, or like it's struggling, that could point to the springs. And when those go, it's not something you want to ignore. A professional garage door spring replacement Salt Lake City restores the balance of your door and takes unnecessary strain off the opener, which helps everything last longer. Sometimes, though, it's bigger than just one part. If your garage door is older, noisy, or constantly needing repairs, it may make more sense to step back and look at the full picture. Getting a new garage door quote in Salt Lake City gives you a clear understanding of what it would take to replace the system entirely. And often, it's more affordable than people expect. When you go that route, garage door installation in Salt Lake City becomes about doing it right from the start. Proper fit, proper alignment, and a system that works together seamlessly. Door opener, springs, all of it. And of course, there are those moments when things don't give you any warning at all. The door won't open, it won't close, or something breaks suddenly and leaves you stuck. That's when emergency garage door repair in Salt Lake City becomes essential. Fast, reliable help to get your home secure again and your routine back on track. At the end of the day, your garage door system is something you depend on more than you realize. It should be smooth, quiet, consistent. And when it's installed and maintained the right way, it just works. No stress, no guessing, just one less thing you have to think about every day. Call us right now so we can help close the door on stress for you. 385-200-9203.